This topic is the Boolean algebra. Now we see the Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is used to analyze and simplify the digital circuits. It's a digital logic circuit. So by using this Boolean algebra, you can simplify the circuit. Boolean algebra was invented by George Boolean in 1854. Boolean algebra expressions have been invented to help reduce the number of logic gates needed to perform a particular logic operation. Boolean algebra is used to reduce the logic circuit. So Boolean's law is used to reduce and simplify a complex Boolean expression. If the expression is complex, so by using this Boolean's law, you can solve. It is used to reduce the number of logic gates required. It is also used to reduce the number of logic gate to reduce. Boolean algebra is therefore a system of mathematics based on logic that has its own set of rules or law which are used to define and reduce the Boolean expression. Now these are the few laws of Boolean. First law is a commutative law. First law is commutative law. Now see here, first law in commutative is A into B equal to B into A. This is first law of commutative. And second law of commutative is A plus B equal to B plus A. So this is first Boolean law, is a commutative law. Second law is associative law. Second law is associative law. In associative law, the first law is A into B whole bracket complete into C equal to A into B into C. A into B into C equal to A into B into C. And the second associative law is in bracket A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. This is associative law. Third law is a distributive law. A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. This is distributive law. So next distributive law is A plus B into C. A plus B into C equal to A plus B into A plus C. Fourth Boolean law is the AND law. In AND law, first law is A into 0 equal to 0. A into 1 equal to A. A into A equal to A. A into A inverse equal to 0. Now see here, put the value of A equal to 0 or 1. Because in digital system, we have only two values, 0 and 1. Put this 0 as a. So 0 into 0 is 0, or put 1 as a. So 1 into 0 is 0. So this is your AND first law. Put the value of A as a 0 or 1 in this equation and see the output. If A equal to 0, so 0 into 1 output is 0, means A equal to 0. So put A as a 1 and 1 into 1 is a 1. So whatever value we get for A, output is same. Put the value of A here, 0 or 1. So first we put 0. So 0 into 0, output is 0. Or put the value of A equal to 1. 1 into 1 equal to 1. Put the value of A as a 0 or 1. So if I put A equal to 0, so 0 into 1, because A is 0 and its inverse is 1. So 0 into 1 equal to 0, or put the value of A equal to 1. So 1 into inverse of 1 is 0. So 1 into 0 is 0. So this is your AND law. Now next law is the OR law. In OR law, the first law is A plus 0 equal to 1. A plus 0 equal to A. A plus 1 equal to 1. A plus A equal to A, and A plus A bar equal to 1. Again, put the value of A equal to 0 or 1. In digital system, only two values, 0 or 1. So put the value of 0 or 1 as a. So A equal to 0 means 0 plus 0 equal to A. Put the value of A as a 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1, means A. Whatever value we take as A, so this will be the output. Here I put A equal to 0. So 0 plus 1, 1. And 1 plus 1, again 1. So whatever value of A, we get the output of as equal to A. So 0 plus 0, 0, and 1 plus 1, 1. If I put the value of A equal to 0, so 0 plus A inverse is 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. Or I put the value of A equal to 1. So 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Next law is the inversion law. So inversion law is A double bar equal to A. So A bar bar is A. Next law is the De Morgan's theorem. These are the theorems. The first De Morgan's theorem is A dot B bar, A dot B whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. And the second De Morgan's theorem is A plus B bar or A plus B whole bar equal to A bar into B bar. So we realize or we solve this theorem here. Put A and two inputs because A and B are the only two variables in that equation. So I will give here two variables A, B. I convert this variable into A bar and a B bar and A into B. So first De Morgan's theorem is A dot B whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. This is your first De Morgan's theorem. Now again I take here A plus B and solve this second theorem. A plus B whole bar equal to A bar into B bar. This is your second De Morgan's theorem. Now put the value of A and B. So A is 0, B is 0, A is 0, B is 1, A is 1, B is 0, A is 1 and B is 1. These are the values. Now inverse A bar and B bar. So this is your 0. So 1. Again B is 0. A is 0 and A bar is 1. So A is 1, A bar is 0, A is 1, A bar is 0. Now B is 0, B bar is 1, B is 1, 0, 0, B bar 1, B is 1, so B bar is 0. Now multiply these two, A into B, A into B. So 0, 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, and 1 into 1, 1. This is A into B. Now A into B inverse, A into B inverse. So 1, because A into B is 0. So 1, 1, 1, and A1 is inverse is 0. And first theorem says A dot B bar equal to, this is exactly equal to A bar plus B whole bar. So A bar plus B bar. Add these two numbers. So 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. And 0 plus 0 is 0. So this is 0. So first law is A dot B whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. Now second law. See here, A plus B. A plus B means 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. And 1 plus 1, 1. And take the inverse of this, because here inverse. So 1, 0, 0 and 0. And A bar into B bar. So A bar into B bar. A bar into B bar. So 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. So 0 into 1, 0. And 0 into 0, 0. See here, this is exactly equal. A plus B whole bar equal to A bar into B bar. Now absorption law. Again, this is Boolean's law. A plus AB equal to A. A plus AB equal to A. A dot A plus B equal to A. This is two law as an absorption law. A plus B, A plus AB equal to A, and A dot A plus B equal to A. Now others law. A into A bar plus B equal to A dot B. Second law is A plus A bar B equal to A plus B. Third law is A dot B bar, A dot B bar plus A dot B equal to A. And next law is A plus B into A plus B bar equal to A. So these are the laws, Boolean's law, to solve or to reduce the digital expression. Now we solve some problem by using Boolean's law. Now we take here first problem, A plus A bar B equal to A plus B. Prove this, A plus A bar B equal to A plus B. Now we'll take here left hand side, A plus A bar B. So A plus A bar B, A into 1 plus B. Now 1 plus B is 1. 1 plus B is 1. So this is your 1 into A. So A plus A bar B. Now use your distributive law. A plus AB. This is A into 1 is A plus A into B is AB plus A bar B plus A bar B. So take a B common from that equation, from these two equations, take a B common. So A plus B into A plus A bar, A plus A bar. So A plus A bar is 1, A plus A bar is 1. So the output is A plus B, A plus B. So we take one more problem, A plus C into AD plus AD bar plus AC plus C. This is a complex equation, and by using Boolean's law, we reduce this equation. A plus C into A, we take A common from that two equation. So D plus D bar plus AC plus C. So A plus C, D and D bar is 1. So D and D bar is 1. So A plus AC plus C. This is your 1. So I take A common from that two equation. So A plus C plus C, and this is C. So A into A plus C, and again this C plus C is 1. C plus C is C. C plus C is C. So C plus C is C. Here I use distributive law. A into A plus A into C plus C. Again A into A is A, and AB plus A is A. So A into A is A. Here A into A is A, and AC plus C is C, because AB plus A is A. So convert this equation into AB plus A. It's a C. So final output is C. Final output for that equation, complex equation, is C. So reduce by using Boolean's law. Now we take one more equation. Prove A plus B into A plus C equal to A plus BC. Means solve left hand side equal to right hand side. So solve the left hand side. A plus B into A plus C. AA plus AC plus AB plus BC. And you know AA is A. So A plus AC plus AB plus BC. So A, take one A common from that two equations. So A 1 plus C AB plus BC. And 1 plus C is 1. 1 plus C is 1. So A plus AB plus BC. Again A common from the two equations. So A plus A into 1 plus B plus BC. And again you know 1 plus B is 1. So A into 1 plus BC. So this is your final answer, A plus BC. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Now one more example on Boolean laws or Boolean equations. A into B plus A into B plus C plus B into B plus C. Now solve this. AB plus A into B plus A into C plus B into B and B into C. And you know A plus B or A plus A is A. So A plus A is A. So AB plus AB is A. AB plus AB is A. And you know B into B is B. B into B also B. So this AB is AB plus AC, and B into B is B plus BC. And you know A plus AB is A, or B plus BC is B. So this B plus BC is B, and AB plus AC, and this B plus BC is B. Now B plus AB also B. B plus AB is B. So this B plus AB is B plus AC. This AB plus B is B plus AC. This is a reduced equation for that complex equation. Now we take one more example. Function xyz equal to xy bar z plus xy plus xz bar plus xyz bar, and solve this equation by using Boolean's law or by using Boolean's theorems. Now xyz or xy bar z plus xy plus xz common from that two equation, and 1 plus y. 1 plus y is 1. So xy bar z plus xy plus xz. because y plus 1 is 1. So this is 1. Next, take a x common from the two equations. So y bar z plus y plus x z bar, and y bar z plus y equal to y plus z, means a bar b plus a equal to a plus b. So this x into y plus z plus x z bar. Again, take x common from that three equations. So y plus z bar, and you know z plus z bar is 1. Z plus z bar is 1. So x into y plus 1, x, and again y plus 1 is 1. So x into 1 means x. This is nothing but your reduction of equation by using a Boolean's law. We reduce all the equation by using a Boolean's law, so that the complex circuit will be reduced, and also the logic gates reduced. So this is nothing but your Boolean's law.